When I joined Talbott, we were looking at data through spreadsheets, and the correct information wasn't present for us to give the right customer service and finish our projects in a timely manner. How it used to work is we will get a sales lead. We had a CRM system, but it wasn't really user-friendly. So this lead will end up being neglected. So by having Flowlens, we've managed to track these leads, and we've noticed an increase in orders, in conversions.
The fact that we have a stock system, we have costed bills of material, we have MRP systems, we have the whole integrated solution from an accounting perspective.
So now we're starting to build up a database on Flowlens of all the information for each part, and it's easy just to search on that part and find the information without having to go back and forth with other people.
So being able to plan our projects, plan our production route, our production requirements, just enabled us to do things better. It's like having extra links of communication that we've missed before.
It gives us that ability to buy better across multiple contracts, but still retaining that integrity of the contract margin effectively. So that's the improvement that we have from a purchasing and a margin perspective. And I see the margin improvement coming through already within a few months. I can see that coming through.
Especially as somebody who's new to the business, I'd say that's quite an important point actually. With Flowlens, I can just look. I don't have to ask someone where to look. I can just look for it myself, and it's fairly intuitive for me to work out where I need to get the information.
Going away from the paper-based system or the hard copy system and putting it on a platform or a cloud just helps everyone. You save time, save money. I would say for management, it's a good 20% time saving. It's a good decision that we've moved forward with Flowlens.